At first glance, social distancing appeared as a clinical response to crisis, a cold calculation of safety, 6 feet of enforced apartness. But what if this very act, so deeply unsettling to our instincts for closeness, was also a hidden ritual? What if social distancing is not merely a disruption of relationship, but a return to its most sacred form? In the ancient science of sacred geometry, relationship is defined not by fusion, but by distance. The vesica piscis, formed by the meeting of 2 circles, is not an image of collapse, but of poised encounter. It is precisely because the circles do not fully merge that the generative space emerges between them. From this sacred distance, the flower of life unfolds, the golden mean resonates, and the cosmos is born. So too, during this global rupture, we were drawn into new spatial relations, not to separate us from one another, but to realign us with an archetypal truth, that presence requires form and form requires space. Distancing then becomes geometry, a measured spacing that allows for clarity, reverence, and regeneration. Mystics across traditions have long known this. The anchorite in her cell, the desert father under stars, the wandering hermit, each one practicing a distancing that unveils connection at a deeper register. Not proximity, but alignment. Not touching, but attuning. In this light, the pandemic's distancing was not just a health precaution. It was a cosmic diagram imposed upon our daily lives, a mandala drawn in lived space. And like all sacred geometry, it asked us to see differently. To recognize that the space between us is not emptiness, but a luminous field, a resonant interval, a place where true relation begins. To live as geometry is to live with intention, proportion, and mystery. In this, even our distance was never random. It was a hidden teaching, that we are not isolated bodies, but points in a vast design, each held in sacred tension, each contributing to the whole. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.